family cooking. Nouns. In the kitchen, on the counter, girl, hands, food, vegetables, potatoes, onions, carrots. Verbs. Stand, choose, hold, look at, smile. Adjectives. Little, happy, fresh, raw, natural. Nouns. Mother, girl, vegetables, slices, pieces, knife, cutting board, in the pot. Verbs. Keep an eye on, help, peel, cut, slice, chop, put. Adjectives. Careful, fresh, thin, small, sharp, large. Nouns. Girl, mother, on the stove, pot, spoon, vegetables. Verbs. Hold, help, cook, stir. Adjectives. Helpful, careful, hot, steamy. Nouns. Girl, on the table, bowl, spoon, vegetable soup. Verbs. Eat, enjoy. Adjectives. Hot, fresh, tasty, delicious, healthy.